Hello friends, it's Nine Morrison, and today I'm going to show you how I edit all of my tutorial videos. I do all of my editing on my laptop, but for the most part, most of this, a lot of it you can do on your phone as well, especially if you have an iPhone and you have iMovie. So this is how I do things, and I'm just going to show you how I make mine look really fancy and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go through the whole thing. You can take things away and not do some of this, but I like to go a little bit of the extra mile sometimes. So I'm going to show you the full situation. Okay, so right now I'm just waiting for my iMovie to open up. Here she is. Hello. So I use iMovie for all my editing. If you have a Mac, it comes for free on your Mac, and it's already on there. And then if you have an iPhone, it's usually already on your iPhone too, so that's pretty great. So let's see here. All right, I'm gonna go into some videos, some raw footage that I've already filmed before. So let's see here. What do we want to do? Updos. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drag that over here, drag that clip right over here. This is a full updo. Sweet. Okay. So I can use this to kind of zoom in on what's going on here. All right. So all of this, you've got your video up here and then the audio's down here. So this is audio that was recorded while I was filming. So you might be able to hear it. It's all the background salon noise as I'm recording this, and we don't want any of that salon noise in there. So we're going to go up here to the volume and we're going to turn it off. So there we go. So see how all of those little waggles went away? That means we have no sound on it. So that is perfection. All right. So now I'm going to show you what to do when you need to speed clips up. Right? Now, sometimes we need to speed some clips up more than we need to speed up other ones, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. I'm just going to kind of click some arbitrary spots, and I'm going to double click or right click, and I'm going to go split clip. Okay, so that's cutting them into their own smaller clips. Everything is going to just, when you play it, it still plays straight through. It doesn't stop. It just kind of skips over this little space here. So we're going to do that. So now you can see this yellow line around this. And so now we've selected this clip. So if we need to speed the clip up, we're going to go over here to the little speedometer, and then we're going to go to fast. Now you can pick 2 times faster, 4 times faster. So see how that clip's getting smaller and smaller the faster we go. Or you can also go down to custom. Okay, so 200%, that's 2 times faster. If you wanted to go 350, that's 3.5 times faster. Okay, so there's that. Now, if you need another clip, and let's say you need this clip to go even faster than one of your previous ones, you're just going to go over here to fast, and then you can make this clip, let's say 8 times faster. Okay. So that's pretty much the gist of that. If you need little parts that you want to cut out because maybe you walked away or you messed something up and you want to cut that part out, you just go straight here, select that clip, hit delete, gone. See ya. All right. So there's that. Now I'm going to show you how I make a really bitchin' beautiful title page. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to Canva. If you don't know what Canva is, it's basically graphic design for dummies. That's the simplest way to put it. And if you haven't used it before, I'm going to show you really quick how I use it to create my channel art. So all right, so what we're going to do is we're going to actually go to YouTube channel art. If it doesn't show up here, you can just type it in. So just type in YouTube. And channel art is going to be the perfect size for what you want. So we're just going to go to blank. Now I already have templates already set up, but I'm going to show you how I set mine up. All right, so you can go over to, these are templates that are already made, which is awesome. So you can absolutely use these, but I have some that I have already set up. So all right, so I'm going to add a photo as my background. So I'm just going over here to elements. I'm adding this photo. Now I'm going to go over to, if you want to upload a photo, you can. I've already got some in a folder that I have uploaded called backgrounds. So because I use a lot of the same ones because, hey, branding. All right, so this is the photo I'm going to use, right? It's just like a easy, simple watercolor. Then I'm going to go over here to text. I've already got my branded text already up. So let's call this hot crossed buns. That's the name of the updo that I was doing in that video. So this is hot cross buns. So here she is right there. Now you can make this as big as you want. Okay. And then you're gonna obviously want to put your name on this because, hey, you need to be credited yourself. 9 Morrison. All right, and I'm gonna make that text a lot bigger. At least. I'm gonna make these letters all spaced out too. Now, if I'm going really fast, it's because I've done this 46,000 times. So, yeah, don't be alarmed if you're not as fast at doing this as I am. So once you're done, you can just download this guy. There she goes. There. So now she just got downloaded. She's on my thing. There she is. I'm going to click out of that. So what I'm going to do is I've got this already in my downloads. So I'm just going to go here. I'm going to add this to the beginning of my video. And then I'm also going to add it to the end of my video. Here, hold on. Let's move that. Then I'm going to add it to the end of my video as well. There we go. Okay. Now what it does when you add a photo of anything, it automatically adds this like it's called a Ken Burns effect. So see how it like zooms in on it? That's fine. If you're into it, cool, keep it. If you're not, here's how you do it. You go over to this crop and you just put fit instead of Ken Burns. It just automatically goes onto Ken Burns. But if you're into the Ken Burns effect, then cool, leave it there. All right, there you go. Now, last thing you're going to want to do before you're all done is you're going to want to go to transitions. So what I mean is like when you do that and then it just goes straight into the video, not as cute. So I like to do a cross dissolve. You can do a cross blur, whatever works. So it just makes it, see, that's nicer, right? So I do that on any clips, especially like right here, we deleted something. So it's going to have this like weird skip. So if you delete anything, you're going to want to put some sort of a transition. It just gives a little bit more of a professional feel to things and it just is a little nicer. So see, once we're done, then it goes there and then you're all done. Check that out. So that is how you edit a video on iMovie. You can do most of this stuff on iMovie on your phone as well, and it pretty much works very similarly. So yeah. Also keep in mind if you're posting this to Instagram, it can't be more than 10 minutes long, unless you have like a bajillion followers, then you can be more than 10 minutes long. But for most of us, we can't do more than 10 minutes. So keep that in mind. This is your time count up here. And then once you're all done with it, you're going to go back to projects. So I'm going to label this hot crossed buns. Go, okay. And then you're going to share. Now you can just share it as a file on your computer, or you can upload it straight to YouTube or send it to Facebook, whatever you want to do, but that's how you get your files. So that is how you edit your videos using iMovie. So hope you guys liked it, and if you guys need anything else, let me know.